All right, I'm talking to you from the future again. Uh, I got some news and I didn't want to wait to put it in the video because I'm pretty excited about it. And the big news is plates. Yes, we are legal. Come this summer, we're going to hit the road, break down, have it towed home, and work on it. Yeah, pretty excited about that. It made my day. That took 8 months from start to finish to get this. Get a title, get a registration. I guess that's it. That's the big news. Now back to 2 months ago. Hello. Man, it's been a few days since I've been out here. We just snuck above zero. Yeah, well, I don't know, a couple of days ago. I think we're actually in a heat wave. It's up to 30 right now, so 30 Fahrenheit. That's, who gives a shit in Celsius? Let's see. Today we're going to continue working on the header. I got a couple ideas. Probably won't work, but we're going to try them anyway. And we'll see what happens. I got to get stuff. I got to figure out where I was, where I left off at. That's what I got to do. So we'll be back. Alright, I'm going to tack this so it'll stay in position while I braze it the rest of the way. And I'm using this copper covered rod, this thin stuff. Seems to work pretty darn good. A lot better than the big thick bronze. Way better. Let's see what happens. Okay, we'll continue our welding here, or brazing, or whatever you call it. All right. I've got it brazed together back to here with some ugly brazing techniques. Thankfully this is going to get wrapped in header tape so nobody will see my awfulness. I got to figure out what I'm going to do here. I've got to have a clamp of some sort, clamp it to this running board bracket. And same thing back there. And then I have to decide what I'm going to do with the tip, how I want it to look. But so far, hey, coming along. Looks okay to me. All right. We're gonna need a clamp to clamp that big 3-inch pipe to the running board brackets. So I found some steel I had here. It's a little thicker than I wanted to use, but I guess that won't hurt anything. We're going to bend it around, here I'll show you. Bend it around this thing here using this high-tech device I've put together here. And let's just see what happens. I got to find all my stuff now. I'd say right about in there somewhere. I could use a measuring tape and, you know, put marks on it. You know, if you want to be fancy. I'd rather just guess and have it be just way off when I'm done. go see if this is even close. Oh, yeah. That's hard to believe. It's close. It's getting there. Ouch. Dang it, that's hot. Alright, one more whack ought to do it. Ta-da! Alright, we got our first clamp to clamp, this will get brazed to the exhaust pipe and then clamp to the frame. Got a drill hole in it. So, let's see. Looks kind of dangerous, so we'll err on the side of caution here. I lost my key chuck for this drill press. So we're back to doing this. Doesn't bother me if it doesn't bother you. Okay, well that was abject failure. There we go. All right. There we go. There's the first one. I got to make another one just like this, but I'm gonna keep going with this before I do that because I want to make sure it's really what I need. So, yeah. Anyways, that's what it looks like. Got a hole in it. I'm Cornholio. Okay, well, we got this far today. We got it brazed together there, and I think there. So we're pretty good from here on up. All right. Got the what am I trying to say? Brackets? Is that the word I want? Brackets? Yeah. Got those on there. Now I had a little trouble. I started using this rod right here. Whoa, there it is. Alright, I started using this. It's a copper covered wire rod for brazing. And man, it worked good on the exhaust pipe coming from the engine. But now this I got from a different vendor, so I'm not real sure what all's in it, and this is different metal. Anyways, this doesn't like either one of these here, so I went back to this bronze, and it worked good. It got right in there and did its job. Unfortunately, I'm out of bronze rod now, so I guess I'm off to the farm store tomorrow to get some more. And we'll get these 2 holes drilled and get that bolted on there, and then, I don't know, that's, you know, get it all done up here. I think that'll be just about it. Yeah, it's cold. Still cold. Oh well. I think it's going to be decent tomorrow too. And when I say decent, I mean cold, but decent. Alright, I'm going in the house. I'm wore out. I'm kind of liking how that's looking. I don't know. Now that I look at it, I might have a different plan. I don't know. Subject to change. That's everything on this. Alright, what I want to do is shape the end of this pipe. I got a shape in my head that I think will look pretty good. I kind of drew it on there with a magic marker a little bit. We'll see if it comes out right. wrench. Alright, we got this drilled here, this hole. We're going to put this, tighten this bolt up in it, and then drill the one back here. So far so good here. There's a harder way to do this, but I just can't think of it right now. I'm gonna have to think about this. But so far so good. I needed a, oh, there we go. I needed a spacer back there on the rear hanger for the exhaust, and I found this chunk of aluminum, chopped it off. As you can see, I did a nice crooked job of it, so I got to straighten that up, and I think this will probably work. And the bonus was it had a hole bored right through the center before I even got it, so we'll see if we can straighten it up. Whew, that's warm still. I think that'll work. Wish I had a little longer bolt. That would be swell. Alright. I'll look for a bolt, I guess. We've got it up against the block. We got the little glands in there. I have to put this in yet. In there. Comes down. There's where it's fastened to the running board bracket there. And fastened to the running board bracket right there. That's how it looks. All right, let's see how this exhaust sounds. We're gonna give it a shot and see if it falls apart.